Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the cartridge on a Price Pfister kitchen faucet, model 30-24. If your faucet is leaking, turning off by itself, or not operating smoothly, this fix might be exactly what you need. I've owned this faucet since 2017, and recently, it started turning off on its own, super annoying. I even told my wife it was some sort of water-saving feature, until it became way too frequent, and now she wants it really fixed. Good news, Price Pfister has a lifetime warranty, and they sent me this replacement cartridge for free. That's solid customer support, so let's dive in. Tools and materials needed: replacement cartridge model 97-07 or what Pfister sends for 30-24. Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, or pick. Adjustable wrench or 33mm socket, silicone faucet grease, towel or rag. Step 1. Shut off the water. Don't forget to turn off the water under the sink, or you'll end up with a big mess. Step 2. Remove the cap. First thing, remove the cap on the handle. Sometimes grime builds up and locks it in place, so you may need something thin to gently pry it off. Be careful not to cut yourself. Step 3. Remove the handle. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver to take the handle off. A little cleaning wouldn't hurt here either. Step 4. Remove the retaining collar. This collar should screw off by hand, but it's plastic. Even though the new part is plastic, the old one is brass and may last longer, so I might reuse it. Step 5. Remove the cartridge. Lift the cartridge straight out. Make sure the gasket comes out with it. I used a rag to clean up the area inside before installing the new part. Step 6. Install the new cartridge. Here's the new cartridge. There's an index tab that needs to align at the top. Make sure it's facing the right way. Before installing, I put a thin layer of silicone paste on the gasket. Not too much, just a light film. Step 7. Reassemble and test. Turn the water back on before putting everything back together and check for leaks. You want it snug, not over-tightened. No leaks. Good. Time to reassemble. I gave everything a good cleaning before reattaching the handle. Halfway up the handle is where it used to fail, but now it's nice and snug. Problem solved. By the way, the model number is either 30-24J or just 30-24. I'll double check and include it in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if this helped you out. And don't forget to check out the older repair video I linked earlier.